A deadly blaze tore through a hotel construction site in Busan, South Korea on Friday, killing 6 people and injuring more than 24, according to the National Fire Agency. The fire erupted around 11 a.m. at the Banyan Tree Hotel construction site, where around 100 workers were present. Authorities confirmed 25 people suffered injuries, mostly from smoke inhalation. Busan Gijang Fire Station Chief Hong Mun-sik said the fire had already peaked upon arrival, with thick black smoke covering the scene. He added that flammable insulation material stored on the first floor blocked access, with fatalities occurring where the fire started.